Hello and welcome to Master of X channel. This is Miss Rachel at your service. Today's video, we dive into the fascinating world of mathematics, making complex concepts easy to understand. Today, we're going to explore variables and constants. These two fundamental ideas are crucial for understanding math and science. Stay tuned as we break down these concepts and show you how they work together in equations and expressions. Let's get started. Here's a simple breakdown for variables and constant. Let us have first the variable. What is variable? What's the definition of variables? Variables are symbols that represents values that can change. Take note, variables are symbols that represents values that can change. The representation of variables is commonly denoted by letters. Do you know letters? Letters alphabet A to Z. We can use any of the letters that represent the variable. Example, in the equation y equals x plus 2. Y equals x plus 2. The variables there are y and x because their values can vary. Like for example, when you say our x is 2 and then our y is 5, not all the time that your x is equal to 2 because sometimes there are equations that your x becomes 10 or it becomes negative 2 and any other number. That is why it is called variable because the values vary or change. It depends on the equation. And now let's go to constant. Then what is this constant? Constants are symbols again that represent fixed values that do not change. So it means to say they are opposite to the variables. Constant are still symbols like variables that represent fixed values that doesn't change. So the representation of this constant, it often denoted by specific numbers like let's say 5. 5 is always 5, right? Let us say pi. What is the value of pi? So that is always 3.1416 and so on. So usually we use 3.14 as the value of pi. The pi never becomes 6 or never become 5. It's always 3.14. That is why pi is considered also a constant. For example, in the equation, we can have y equals x plus 4. Y equals x plus 4. If I asked you what is the constant of the given equation, so it's simply 4 because only the 4 has fixed value of the given equation. X and y there are called the variables. Okay? So any questions? Please comment below in the comment section for your concern. Before I end this video, today we'll learn about variables and constant, the two key concepts in math and science. And please remember, variables can change while constants stay the same. It's clear? So keep exploring and learning with us at Mastery of X channel. See you next time. Bye.